song will enter short now.
Is that a queen?
Yes. And they have three. This also is a business card made by a Nigerian. Yes. She's a textile designer. Fashion. Beautiful colors. So these are all flowers from Nigeria. And the plants as well. So she's beautiful. And then we'll put it there.
By Nigeria.
Yes, beautiful.
Thank you.
Let me move closer. She can move closer. Your Excellency? Wait, okay. Can we have handshake, please? Thank you. Thank you, Excellency. Can we try? Yeah. Thank you very much, Excellency.
Thank you.
Amazing work you're doing. Yeah. And I'm sure we'll meet again. Yeah, so don't overlook too much thing. Thank you, madam.
The Queen is actually the patron of the United Nations Population Fund, which is a very important United Nations organ. And you will know, of course, from memory that Mr. President's foreign policy agenda stands on 4 pillars, one of which is demography. So there's a lot of work being done in terms of population, in terms of providing food security for that population, in terms of providing education for that population, and the fact that we're going to be 400 million by the year 2050. So this is a common denominator between what the Queen is emphasizing on and working on, and what the First Lady also is working on. It's something that she's been committed to from her days as First Lady in Lagos, and then subsequently as a Senator of the Federal Republic, and today as First Lady of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. So these are some of the areas where there was a robust discussion. Areas to do with health also. We have certain major Danish players in the health sector here in Nigeria. Denmark is supporting Nigeria in terms of internally displaced persons in conflict areas such as the northeast of Nigeria. They've been doing a lot. And of course, the Renewed Hope agenda is also looking to domesticate some of the supply and value chains. They have major players in the maritime sector, for instance, AP Mola, that operates a terminal in Lagos. We've got Grundfos that has been supplying pumps in Nigeria for a very long time, which is tied to agriculture and food security. So we emphasize that, emphasizing the need for collaboration also in that area. Importantly, Denmark is currently a member, a non-permanent member of the United Nations Security Council. It is also soon to assume the presidency of the European Union, and we hope to get support from Denmark in those capacities so that Nigeria also becomes a non-permanent member of the United Nations Security Council in the year 2030, and also our aspiration of becoming a permanent member of the United Nations Security Council with veto powers. And of course, support in discharging some of our responsibility also as a leader on the African continent, reforming the global financial architecture, reforming the global governance system, reforming the United Nations. So these are areas where we have common denominators, and we will continue to work together.
Honorable Minister, what was the President's specific message to the Queen?
President's specific message was on the issue of job creation, the population, the fact that school feeding is something that we've been collaborating on, we need to do more of, the fact that education also is an area where he has a lot of emphasis. He talked about the macroeconomic reforms that he embarked on that are taking effect, and the fact that we need to collaborate more. We need to collaborate on multilateralism. He emphasized the importance of multilateralism, working with other countries, and of course attracting business. But when the business comes to Nigeria, it should also invest in local production so that more jobs are created.
Okay, any direct collaboration between the Queen and the First Lady of Nigeria?
Oh, they've been working together, as I said, on this issue of school feeding, on the issue of the Queen is, the First Lady is passionate about the Al-Majiri program, ensuring that we tackle the issue of out-of-school children, and also transforming some of these traditional schools that have been there for centuries. The Sangaya, for instance, where you have a lot of them in northern Nigeria. So there's a need to transform them and create some sort of recognition for the knowledge that is already domiciled there, because it's not all Almajiri that are uneducated. There's a lot of knowledge there that is not recognized because there's no certificate to show that you possess that knowledge. So we are working on that, and these are areas that the First Lady also emphasized on.
Thank you.
Thank you.